Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Professor Allan Santos, top 5 in the March 2012 Criminology's licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Allan.
21 na tayo. Informant who gives information to the police and investigator for his purpose of informing, no, to eliminate the rival or competition. No, so para makaalis siya ng kakompetition niya, kunyari, dalawang organized crime. Okay? Yung isang organized crime, gusto niyang ma-monopolize yung isang illegal activity. So, nagbigay siya ng information para ma-eliminate itong kalaban niya. The answer is rival elimination informant. Letter A. Ano yung anonymous informant? Okay? Ito yung mga caller or informants na hindi nagbibigay ng kanilang identity. Don't be confused about confidential informant and anonymous. Ang anonymous informant, hindi talaga alam ng pulis kung sino ang nagpadala ng information, kung sino ang tumawag, kasi hindi naman niya sinabi. But in confidential, okay, it can be the identity of the informant ay alam, pero pinoprotektahan ito ng law enforcement. Okay? Na nag-request siguro ang informant na huwag niyo pong sabihin kung sino ako. Okay? Basta ito po yung information. I want my identity to be confidential. So, yung anonymous hindi talaga alam, pero dating sa confidential, may nakakaalam nito na ayaw lang i-disclose sa public. Okay? So, I want you to remember. 22. This type of covers which alters the background, okay, that will correspond to the operation. Okay. So, cover tayo, types of cover. So, alters the background. Okay, yan ang keyword nyo dyan. The answer is artificial. Artificial cover. Pag sinabi mo kasing natural cover, without altering the background, you use the natural background of the surrounding. Okay, in multiple cover, you use different types of cover for your operation. So the answer is artificial. Okay, 23. A person who breaks intercepted codes. So pinag-aralan na natin kanina. Who breaks intercepted codes. Cryptographer ba? No. Okay, cryptographer is an expert sa coding. Okay? Sa to make ordinary message into an intelligible message. O sa mga message na hindi natin maintindihan, doon sila expert. Okay, so the answer in this one is crypto analyst. Crypto analyst. Number 23 is alpha. Okay, number 24. In selection and recruitment of informer, the best factor to be considered is para sa pagkuha ng iyong network of agents. So ano dapat mo i-considera? Yung edad ba? Okay. Kahit napaka-experience niya, matanda na yan, hindi yon sapat. Educational attainment ba? May PhD. Okay. Hindi pa rin sapat yon. Body build ba? The answer is access. Okay, guys. Yun ang pinaka-importante sa pag-recruit ng agent. Sa pag-recruit ng iyong agent or informants or informer, okay, is the access. Meron ba siyang access doon sa source of information? Meron ba siyang access doon sa organized crime na gusto mong makuha, na makakuha ng mga impormasyon, okay, or evidence? So, remember, okay, 25. Security clearance is a certification by a responsible authority that the person described could have held an access and classify matters of appropriate level. The interim clearance will remain valid for for a permission with a date of issuance. I want you to remember, guys, the answer for this one is 1 year. The security clearance is only valid for 1 year. Okay. So 1 year siyang valid. Okay. Ang pagbibigay ng security clearance, bago bigyan, kasi guys, meron tayong tinatawag na compartmentation. Okay, so I want you to write this. Compartmentation. May compartmentation. Yung need to know basis. Need to know basis. Okay. Need to know basis. Sino lang ang mga taong may dapat lang ang nakakaalam ng operation para ma-avoid mo yung ma-burn out dito or maging failure ang operation. Okay? O ma-compromise ang information. So, take note of that, compartmentation. Nagsasagawa muna ng tinatawag na security investigation before kang makakuha ng security clearance. Okay? I want you to remember. 26. Okay. So, it is the process of method obtaining by the information from a captured enemy who is reluctant to divulge information. Okay. So guys, method information of captured. Okay guys, sir, bakit may dalawa na tila tama ang sagot? Charlie is interrogation while Delta is tactical interrogation. Guys, you will choose the nearest answer. I want you to study the question. Ang nakalagay dyan, obtaining information from a captured enemy. Okay? Diba sa investigation natin, from the suspect. Okay. Captured enemy. So, it's all about military operation. So, the best answer for this is tactical interrogation. Okay. Let us first have a simple review about this. Okay. Interview, it is a simple questioning. Okay. Yung letter A, it is a simple questioning. Interview is conducted when the subject is cooperative to the investigator. Cooperative. Nakikipagtulungan sa investigador. Okay? Malaya at kusang loob na nagbibigay ng information. Okay? Interview. The subject of interview, pwedeng sila ay yung biktima mismo o mga witnesses. Okay? So, yan ang interview. It is different sa interrogation. Yung pagkakaiba between interview and interrogation. Pag sinabi mong interrogation, this subject, okay, or the suspect is reluctant to divulge information. Uncooperative. Ayaw na niya. Kaya ginagamitan mo pa ng mga iba't ibang interrogation techniques. Tulad ng mga mild interrogation techniques na like yung tinatawag nating friendly approach, sympathetic approach, okay? Yung tinatawag nating kind approach okay? So, yun yung mga examples nun. And then, kapag ayaw talaga, ginagamitan mo na ng mga mas harsh na or yung may tinatawag natin na like mat and jet, okay, sweet and sour, okay, mga deceptive interrogation. So, mga split type. Okay, those are the types of interest. The answer for this one is, okay, bugging, Charlie. Okay, bugging or Charlie. So, then, let us now proceed to number 28. The process of extracting information from a person who believes in possession, okay, of vital information without his knowledge or suspicion, okay, extracting information, guys, no? So, extracting information, the answer is elicitation, alpha. Okay, roping is the other term for undercover, and surveillance is the discrete observation of person, place, or things. Okay, number 29 na tayo. It refers to an associate of the subject who follows him to detect surveillance. Okay. So, yung close-in security, guys, ito yung mismo nasa loob. Kunyari sa car, no? Convoy sa mga sasakyan. Okay? When you are, say, close-in security ka, sila yung mga kasama mo sa loob. No, ready to protect you in case of an attack or threats to your life. Okay? Pag sinabi mong decoy, okay? Decoy, no? Ito yung decoy car, ito yung maglilito sa iyo. Maglilito sa surveillant, Okay? Kunyari, i-attack pero ang decoy nila, itong kotse na to ay sinasakyan ng VIP pero hindi pala doon nakasakay, no? So parang ipinapahiwatig lang nila, pinapakita nila na doon ito nakasakay. No, that is decoy. So the answer is convoy. Kaya tayo may convoy not only to protect yung route, mahiwa yung daan, is because no, kaya tayo meron sa harap at sa likod na convoy at meron pang sa likod. No, sila yung nag-o-observe para malaman kung meron danger, may threat o merong sumusunod, no, sa VIPs. So the answer is alpha. Okay. So let us now proceed to number 30. It is a type of agent used in collecting information who leaks false information to the enemy. Okay? So remember, who leaks false information to the enemy. Hindi siya double agent. Okay? So what I want to touch on this topic, okay? Double agent. Okay? Working to you and working to your enemies. Ganyan lang kasimple ang double agent No, while working sa iyo, kumukuha din siya ng information sa iyo at binibigay niya sa kalaban mo. Okay, kumbaga sa alawahan. So, no, sa alawahan pinagsasabay. Okay guys, no? Merong isang term that I want you to compare dito. Baka kasi tanungin sa board exam, yung tinatawag nating defector sa intelligence, no? Defector. Okay. Pag sinabi mo nga defector, okay? Pag sinabing defector is no, pag defector is breach of loyalty, okay? Allegiance, no? Doon sa iyong employer. Kumbaga ang double agent nagwo-work sa iyo at sa kalaban mo, but the defector, the difference is the defector humiwalay talaga muna sa iyo. Sir, ayoko na sa iyo, mas maganda yung offer ng kalaban. No, binigyan ako ng magandang offer ng kalaban, like binigyan ako ng position, binigyan ako ng mas malaking pera. Okay? So doon na ako mag-work sa kanya. You breach the allegiance, no, to your employer at pumunta ka na doon sa kalaban, doon ka nag-work. Iba yan sa double agent. Sa double agent, pinagsasabay niya yung employer niya, pati yung sa kalaban ng employer niya. So, salawahan. Okay. So, that is double agent. Ano naman yung agent of influence? Pag sinabi mong agent of influence, ito yung mga agent na merong posisyon sa kanilang mga organization, doon sa pinipenetrate na organization na ginagamit For example, for better understanding. Kunyari may yung kalaban ng gobyerno, nagkaroon ng espiya sa loob ng gobyerno at nagkaroon ng mataas na posisyon doon. Okay. At ginagamit ngayon ng opisyal ng gobyerno na to ang kanyang posisyon to get information sa government na binibigay niya ngayon sa kalaban. Use of his position or influence, no, to gather, no, to gather information, ayan ay tinatawag na agent of influence. Okay? So, hindi siya ang penetration agent, no, hindi rin siya yung sagot diyan sa number 30. Ito yung mga guys, no, may confusion diyan eh. Kasi mayroon pa isang type of agent, yung tinatawag na agent in place. Okay? Iba yan sa penetration agent. So, discuss ko muna yung agent in place. Pag sinabi mong agent in place, recruited pa lang siya or he already infiltrated the organization, the subversive organization. Napasok niya muna yun. Napasok na niya. Okay? Recruited pa lang siya. Ang definition ng penetration agent, he already infiltrated the organization. He get the information, okay? He already obtained the information needed and he returned back safely without being caught. Nakabalik na siya na ligtas nang hindi nahuhuli. That is penetration agent. Okay, ang sagot dito, guys, ang nagbibigay ng maling impormasyon sa kalaban, ang agent na nagbibigay ng false info sa enemy, ang tawag doon expendable agent. Okay, expendable agent. So I want you to remember the answer is letter C.
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!